We're installing a wood veneer sunburst mural. Yes, that's wood. Now, the tricky part of this installation is that this is 11 feet long. There are no connections here, except 3/4 of the way down. As I do this video, at this point, I would like you to think how you would make sure that sheet number 2 is installed next to sheet number 1 and this connection is made. Would you start putting sheet number 2 on the wall from the top? Or the bottom? Or right there? So one of the first things we're going to do is to moisten the back of this to allow for this backing to expand so we don't get buckling on the wall after we put it up. In order to prevent puddles of water, we just wipe the water against the backing. I rolled a low moisture, quick setting wallpaper paste on the wall. The reason is you don't want a high moisture paste bleeding through the veneer of the wood. My middle is right about here. And if you look close, the edge is wet. I need to be able to move this sheet a little bit like this and that to get it into the straight position. Not so on the second sheet. On the second sheet, the edge is going to be very low moisture because the first sheet has already been put into place, taking advantage of the wetness so I can slide it. But this one, if I slide it, I'm going to get paste from this side onto this. Can't take that chance. There's my center point. My edge has to go right on that.